Just give me the cheese, I'll make it smoke it, yo. Smoke it, yo. It'll make me please, so don't provoke it, yo. Provoke it, yo. We don't need no speed, so we not go coke it, yo. Coke it, yo. So to minor teens, we gotta take it slow. So in the city, SB floating, don't provoke him. Cause the weed where we smoking, need to soak him. Best thing for the meditation, and the best high grade at Jamaican. We wanna weed we supporting and promoting. Loud the crack and the coking, hear me shouting. Herb the healing of the nation, legalize it right now. We vibrate one every day. We be burning, not concerning what nobody wanna say. We be earning dollars, turning, cause we minded what we pay. Some got gold and oil and diamonds, all we got is Mary J. Legalize it, time to recognize it. This purple haze, it make me crazy, make me write no tune, and that's what pays me. But I'm not the only occupation, going to gain, so make I give you education. When a farmer grows it, he knows it flows with the economical benefit, helping those who have it. They up on the hard juggling, cause the system money keep man struggling. Studying people, I use it, don't abuse.